In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily recover deleted messages on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then go to your profile, hit add 3 lines and select your activity. And then just scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find download your information. You can just tap on it, then in that field just enter your email and then hit on request download. On that email, you will receive a link to download all of your data, including deleted messages, but unfortunately, you can't restore your messages in the DMs right here, but you will be able to get all your deleted messages in zip file. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.